In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Voiding an invoice is really useful when you've created an invoice by mistake, used the wrong customer, or entered the wrong details, and you don't want it to affect your reports anymore. Instead of deleting it completely, voiding keeps a record for your audit trail, but brings the amounts down to zero so it no longer impacts your income. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu. From this menu, click on Sales. This is where QuickBooks keeps everything related to customers, invoices, and payments. Once you're in the Sales area, select Invoices. That will open a list of all the invoices you've created. Next, you'll need to locate the specific invoice you want to void. You can scroll through the list, or to save time, use the search or filter tools at the top of the page. You can filter by customer, status, date, or use the search bar if you know the invoice number or customer name. Once you've found the invoice, look over the details briefly to make sure it's the right one, because voiding an invoice is not something you usually want to undo. Over on the right-hand side of that invoice row, you'll see a column labeled Action. In that column, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click on that arrow to open more options for that specific invoice. From the list of options that appears, select Void. This tells QuickBooks that you want to cancel the financial impact of this invoice, but still keep a record that it existed. QuickBooks will then prompt you to confirm your choice. A small window will appear asking if you're sure you want to void the invoice. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct invoice. When you're ready, click Yes or Void again to finalize the action. If the invoice has already been paid, there's one extra step. Instead of voiding from the list, click to actually open the invoice first. Once the invoice is open, look at the bottom of the screen for a button labeled More. Click More, and then select Void from that menu. Again, confirm when QuickBooks asks you. After you've done this, the invoice will remain in your records, but with a zero balance, clearly marked as voided. That's all there is to it.